You're not meant to take the easy road. You are meant to literally carve out your own road. Hi guys, this is CG from the Galactic Soul, and I'm coming to you with today's daily message. Let's just get right into it and see what Spirit is trying to tell us today. They didn't pop out, so let's try one more time. Ooh, all right. If you can't find a way, carve your own path. If you can't find a way, carve your own path. This basically means that you, as a human, are not meant to take the easy road. You're not meant to take the easy road. You are meant to literally carve out your own road. And it's going to be difficult. It's going to be harder than the usual, step 1, step 2, step 3. For example, we're going to graduate high school, then we're going to go to college, and then we're going to get a good job. We all know that is few and far between. That happens to very few people. And that might be because that is their true purpose. That is their true purpose. And honestly, not for nothing, so many people don't choose their real purpose for their day-to-day work, their day-to-day life. I am very fortunate that I am able to start putting my effort towards my purpose. I'm not saying it's easy. It's very difficult. And it's really just getting the word out there and allowing yourself to be vulnerable. Allowing yourself to be vulnerable. And that's really, really hard, right? That's really difficult to do. And as you're carving your own path, you have so many avenues to care about. So many different things that you're looking at and you're trying to work it all together. And again, it's not easy. But the path that was available, it's not working for you. So you need to carve your own path. You need to reevaluate, choose the things that you want, and make your schedule your own GPS, right? Your own model of this path that you are going on. Because everybody's path is different. Everybody's journey is different. And going into this cookie cutter life that is known throughout our society as humans nowadays, it's not working for you. And if this message is for you or not. So take a beat and literally write out what you would like in your life and what you would like to do in your life, and then process on how we're going to get there. But the way you're going to get there is not going to be the regular way. So don't be surprised if something just falls into your lap, or don't be surprised if it takes a little bit longer for you to get there. But the main thing here, and Spirit is putting such an emphasis on this, is you're going to get there. You're going to get there. And when you get there, you're going to be like, oh, light bulb. That is why this happened. This is why that happened. And it's going to be super freaking awesome. Thank you so much for tuning in for today's daily message. I am so happy that you were able to hear it. If this did resonate, definitely give me a thumbs up and hit subscribe, because I am going to be doing daily messages every single day, allowing you to really start your day on a positive note. And remember to be yourself.